Alright, so today we're going to be slamming the Forester, but we got a couple things to do today before we do that. First, me and Ivan are going to go get breakfast. Then we're going to take Ivan's short block that I told you guys about a while ago, the secret short block. We're going to take that out to go get gone through. Just make sure that everything is good. And then we're going to send the heads off to get decked as well. Alright, so back at the shop. This is the rough ride height of the Forester. I want to bring that down from there to like right there. And then what we're gonna do is this Forester over here has these Sparkos that are kind of cool. We're gonna just toss these on to see how they look while it's slammed. I think it's gonna look fire. What do you think?
Maybe.
Oh my god, it's DJ Lohex.
Alright, so I just made it home. We gotta come here to grab this, which is the OEM Subaru gasket seal kit to get the valve stem seals. So when I take my heads to Turco, we could swap out the valve stem seals.
So one of the main reasons we took the Forester to drop off this engine is a lot of these roads are super windy and fun. So we might as well test suspension before and after, since we're gonna have to go pick up the engine components anyway. Only upgrades we've done to this car that we actually didn't even record. This has an STI steering rack. Not the 15 plus, but it has the corresponding GD STI steering rack. Besides that, it doesn't have anything else done. It's stock. We have a downpipe at the shop, headers, exhaust, and stuff that we're gonna do, but we're waiting to get a few more parts so we can go get it tuned at once. So we just got the motor dropped off to Turco, and Ivan's never been out to Rosendale before, so there's a few things that I'm going to show him out here while we're here, and then we're going to drive back to the shop, slam the Forester, and take it for a nice ride. Oh, it's so cold over here. You feel it? Look, you see? Ivan's never been here before, so he has no idea. Look, you can see all the smoke and everything. Yeah, it's cold as fuck.
Oh my god, it's DJ Lohex.
Alright, so it's been a few days, but we're finally actually going to put the coilovers on the Forester. So here it is. This is the before height. So my fist and then some. Probably gonna get it down to like right here-ish. We also have a new body kit. We have the STI hood scoop, STI wing. We have the sport front bumper. We might throw that on, not 100% sure yet. It's either gonna happen now or another day. Alright, so been a few hours, had some things to do, but car's done. There's quite a bit of camber on this one, but this is our fitment in the rear while it's still in the air. It's the fitment in the front while it's still in the air. We're gonna drop it down now and see how it looks. That rear is absolutely sucking. Oh, we got room. I think I need to, I don't know, I think we need to drop the front down a little bit. That rear fitment isn't bad. The camber is crazy, but. All right, next thing I'm gonna get done, got the hood scoop. So we're gonna put that hood scoop on, and probably not today, but in this video, we're gonna get some other body kit pieces on that we have. Wow, I'm still amazed. Like, that's an insane amount of camber. But like, it's tucking. I did not expect to see this car this low to the ground. Like, look at this the flap.
Oh my god, it's DJ Lohex.
So this is the new scoop that's going on. It's an STI scoop. It was actually painted by Frank. And if you ask me, that looks pretty OEM. Alright, so car is slammed. It looks great. Rear is definitely a little bit too low, so I'm gonna bring it up, match it to this. But we have the JDM spats here, front and rear. And then the sport front bumper, gonna get that on. And we have the STI wing there, but I can't find the template for it online, so I don't know if I'm gonna put it on yet, but this is how we're sitting right now. So I'm not putting those on right now. I think I need a different bumper and then I'll be able to get it on, but here's how it looks.